What's up, guys? Kyle here with No Tie Required. All right, we are back with more crypto talk today. Let's get it. All right, perfect, guys. So yes, before we jump into this, smash that like button. If you like what we're doing, you're going to love where we're going with it. So smash that like button. Okay, comment below. What cryptos are you holding? Which ones do you want us to talk about? We're happy to talk about all these different projects. We love crypto. And then also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's also a link in the description below if you are a brand new person to crypto and you want more information on different types of crypto, how to get started. Link in the description below. There's a startup guide right there for you, totally free. So absolutely check that out. With that being said, let's get into it. Let's talk some Synthetix. I love this project. I can't wait to talk about it. And stay to the end. We have a price prediction for you you don't want to miss. Let's dive into the screen. All right, perfect, guys. So as always on trustycoinmarketcap.com right here, we've already got it pulled up for you. Like we said earlier, we are talking Synthetix. All right, I absolutely love this project. It's one of my top picks for the year. I think the potential is massive. As you can tell in the thumbnail, we believe that there is a possibility it could 20 times itself, and we're going to talk about that right now. So what is Synthetix? Well, let's look at their page right here so you can kind of get an idea where they're at. It's on a nice little dip right now, even though today, if I can get my mouse to catch, there we go, if I can get it to catch up with me, it is up 25% today. But guys, it's coming off from a huge dip, as is the rest of the market. So it's having a nice bounce back today, back up a little bit over 20 bucks, but still nowhere near its all-time high. This thing was well above the $24, $25 mark at one point, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look here. Yeah, you can see right on there, it was basically 26 bucks a week ago or so. So it's still on a nice dip compared to where it's at. But what I want to do is I want to dive into it because not a lot of people talk about this project, and I don't know why, because it is, in my opinion, one of the more solid picks that there is for it. So get their website pulled up there for you so that you can see that. And we're going to kind of break down what Synthetix is. You guys know me. I don't really get into too much of the technical analysis type of stuff. I just look at use case and what is that project ultimately going to do. First and foremost, why is it one of my top DeFi picks and one of the ones that I think is destined to have a very big year? I'm very bullish on this project. First and foremost, I believe DeFi is the future of finance. It's starting to blow up already, and I really think as everything continues on the way that it's going, I think you're going to see it get larger and larger as we're going through it. And let's scroll down their website a little bit just so you guys can kind of see what Synthetix is. Beautiful website, very clean looking. In my opinion, DeFi is looking to upend the status quo in the financial world, taking the power from the banks and institutions and giving it to the people. Okay, putting it in the hands of the people, which I think is going to be hugely popular moving forward. And I want to talk about what Synthetix actually does and what role they play in that. Okay, Synthetix is built on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so this token started out actually in 2017 as a stable coin called Haven. Okay, they were rebranded into Synthetix and they changed the trajectory of what the project was doing. Basically, they are looking to bring synthetic versions of real-world assets into the crypto space, okay? And we're going to cover kind of how that all works here in just a second, but just let that sink in for a second, okay? And you can see right here, I've got it pulled up right there for you, harnessing the deep liquidity of synthetic assets to power a new era of financial tools, okay? So I'm going to say it one more time. They're looking to bring synthetic versions of real-world assets into the crypto world. Essentially, it's a derivatives liquidity protocol, okay? Derivatives trading is massive, okay? It's ramping up to be one of the hottest DeFi markets that there are, and Synthetix is set to be at the very forefront of what's going on with that. So what happens with Synthetix? How does this all work? How does the magic work? What happens with it? So basically, users are able to mint synthetic versions of real-life assets into tokens that track to that asset one-to-one, okay? So normally when you would think that, okay, you're thinking just one different asset class or one different type, okay? What's really cool is there's already been tons of synthetic assets that have been minted on the platform and used, things such as crypto, okay? Commodities, equity indexes, it doesn't matter. And what they do is each synthetic asset is being backed up by crypto debt. Okay, so instead of it being a fiat currency in a bank account that is backing that, everything in here is backed up by crypto debt. Okay, so we don't have to get too far out into the weeds for you guys and all that. I mean, you guys can go through their website and really take a look at this and everything. But what I want to hit is the high points of this, because I think this is a really, really powerful project. What I'm really excited about is the use case for it. As always, for me, it's all about the use case, the fundamentals of the company, everything like that with it, more so than technical analysis and stuff like that. It has to be a project you can get behind. There has to be great fundamentals, has to have great leadership. They also have to have great partnerships. You guys know I'm huge on partnerships. Well, guess what? Synthetix, in order to ensure accuracy, okay, they have partnered with Chainlink, which anybody that watches this channel knows that I am extremely bullish on Chainlink. It is my #2 holding that I have right now. I absolutely love me some Link. And these guys, Synthetix, have partnered with Chainlink to ensure that they are getting the most accurate data possible for all of this. Why is that important? Well, you're taking the clear-cut winner, the clear-cut leader, at least at this point, in the digital oracle space, and you are partnering them with the leader in decentralized derivatives, basically, is what this ends up being. I think it's super cool. I mean, guys, there's so many things to unpack with this project, and we can do a follow-up video on this if you would like us to, just because there's too much to put into one video. I mean, you could literally spend an hour talking about all the stuff that Synthetix offers, whether it's the synths, the inverse synths, which if you want us to talk about those in the future, we certainly can. So definitely let us know in the comments below if you want a follow-up video to Synthetix. Like I said, we love this project. We wanted to give you the highlights of it. Obviously, guys, this is not professional financial advice. As we always say, do your own research. We're just bringing you information as we see it based on what we believe about a project and where we think it's going. So ultimately, you're all here for my price prediction. Where do you think, where do I think it could go, rather? Well, as you can see in the thumbnail, we put it right in there. We believe, sitting at $20 right now, this thing is an absolute steal. I see no reason that this truly couldn't climb to at least $400 per synth by the end of this bull run. Okay, so I really do believe that it is entirely possible that this thing, Synthetix, gets to $400, maybe even higher, as long as the bull run plays out like we're believing that it will. I see no reason that this project can't rise with that. I am super bullish on this project. I think it checks off all the boxes for me. And, guys, let us know in the comments below what you think. If you want a follow-up video to this, let us know. Also, remember, free crypto guide in the link in the description right below this. So definitely check that out if you're brand new to the space. We've all been there before. It never hurts to have a little bit of extra information in your arsenal to draw from. So with that being said, guys, have a great rest of your day. We'll catch you in the next one.
The key to financial independence is through diversification of money. The days of only making money one way are gone. Are you tired of gurus telling you how to make money? Well then, say goodbye to paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars for expert info or for a course on how to make money. And welcome to Retail Underground, a revolutionary all-in-one live streaming platform hosted by $2 million sellers in brick-and-mortar retail and online sales. We have live streams that not only are engaging, but incredibly informative. You'll learn something new every day, whether it's selling on Amazon. We've done that. Building $1 million brick-and-mortar retail empire. We've done that. Investing in the latest cryptocurrency. We are sharing all of our trade secrets, and you'll have fun along the way. Click on the link below for a free 10-minute webinar and begin your journey to financial independence.